Hello everyone, my name is Gaurav and I'll be representing Team 6 for Assignment 5 submission, and I'll be running the Selenium test cases for both Event Coordinator and the Passenger role, which is basically the previous assignment and this assignment combined. And I'll quickly go through all of their test cases and explain what exactly is going on with each specific test case. Okay, so the first one that it has picked up is the login test. We are testing all possible validations which are required when a user logs in, such as empty fields, username must start with a letter, password length, the boundary values. Also, all possible combinations have been tested for login validations. And I'll just let these run for a while until the next test. As indicated by the JUnit success mark on the left side, the login test cases has been passed for all cases. Now for the register one, it first registered the happy test case, and now the following validation test cases. The first one being empty validations, and the next one and the rest of the register validations being for the rest of the validations. Of course, we have used only unique validations for each test case. That was it for the register validations. Now moving on towards event coordinator user roles validations. First is just confirming if the login redirects to the event coordinator homepage. And the next one, going through next one was just a boundary value, confirming that after login it redirects to either event coordinator or passenger. This test confirms that there is no event assigned on a specific date and logs out. And this test case confirms about the event that has been assigned to this specific event manager and confirms that the bowling one has been assigned to him on this specific date, and finally logs out. The next set of Selenium test cases are for the passenger role. The first one being requesting the event name, date, time, duration, location, and all the relevant attributes. The next one being that there are no available events on a specific date. The next one being that it tests that the following validations have been done or not, including that the event capacity has been exceeded, that the user cannot book more than 2 show events a day or athletic events a day. The next set of validations is for passenger rules profile updation. The first test case uh, just inputs a blank field so that the username cannot be empty validation can be shown, and the rest of them are similar to the registration validations, which will include all boundary values, all edge cases, and all possible combinations of the validation errors. This specific test case tests the happy scenario where a user is able to update his profile. And finally, the final test case verifies that the passenger can access his reserved events. But for some reason, for this specific test case, we were unable to get past the date picker for some reason. It's possible because of its third-party JavaScript nature that we were unable to get past the search one. But if I manually click on search, it works properly. And there you go. We, including both event coordinator and passenger, we were able to get 31 test cases till assignment 5. Regarding the project architecture, it stays pretty much the same. The only difference in this assignment is that we included the passenger test Java file, which also follows all the conventions, such as the name should be in ascending when the test run, the get property function has been used to access variables, and just some minor updations to the business functions to make it more modular and more accessible. And that covers our assignment 5 for Team 6. Thank you.